Hey guys, so it is Saturday, July 29th, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel full of motivation and determination, and I feel full of energy. And right now I'm sitting outside in the middle of the yard because I'm having a yard sale currently. But once again, this stuff is amazing. It is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I would highly recommend it, because there's a huge connection between the serotonin and dopamine in your gut and the serotonin and dopamine in your brain. I've also noticed that over the past 2 months of drinking this stuff, I've been drinking it for 2 months, and in those 2 months, my cystic acne went away, and I am now falling asleep usually at 10 or 11 o'clock at night. Usually 12 by the latest. The odd night I am up later, but that's just if I'm going through stuff for a yard sale or something like that, like I was doing. But normally I'm asleep by 10 or 11 o'clock at night, and I'm just falling asleep naturally and easily, and I know it's from the Amare Happy Juice. They have me on for clonazepam, and I was on that before the Amare Happy Juice, and it just didn't do anything for me. Like, I would wake up every hour.